Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Bestbuy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Bestbuy website. You will be taken into the homepage where you can browse through various different products. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the account option at the top section and then click on sign in. This will then open up the login portal. You can use your email address and your password by simply entering your email address and your password within the given box. After entering both of these, click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your Bestbuy account right away. You can also sign in with your Apple account or by using a passkey. And if you created your account using your Google account, you can click on the Google account option as well. Once you proceed forward with your credentials or your linked accounts, you will be logged into your Bestbuy account right away. And you can browse through the various different products to start shopping. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Bestbuy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.